Dr. Billy Williams and Inspire Nation Business Mentoring present the Fix My Insurance Agency 2-day process and implementation setup workshop. Guys, this workshop is going to blow the doors off anything you've ever attended. We're going to have 2 full days of nothing but process setup and implementation. There are no lectures, no sales pitches, no sponsors, no fluff, and no BS. We're going to explain and set up the 23 core processes it takes to build a successful insurance agency. Where do you go? Arlington, Texas. When? Well, you have 3 workshop dates to choose from. October 29th and 30th, 2018. November 12th and 13th, 2018. And January 28th and 29th, 2019. More details, go to the FixMyInsuranceAgency.com website at www.fixmyinsuranceagency.com. Again, for details, go to www.fixmyinsuranceagency.com. I'm excited to have you be there, and I'm going to show you how to fix your insurance agency.